Many of us constantly struggle to reduce our plump stomach that makes us look shapeless, causes physical discomfort and reduces our confidence. A well-toned flatter belly can be a real asset that allows you to fit perfectly into your clothes, to have a great shape and to look good and confident. Eating healthy and exercising regularly can eliminate the belly fat and get you the flat belly you wish for. A few important tips to get a flat belly are: Number 1. Burning extra calories. Extra calorie intake can result in fat accumulation in the belly region, so burning those unwanted calories is imperative for losing the belly flab. Plan a workout schedule that includes walking, jogging, bicycling, aerobics and other kinds of exercises. Number 2. Intake of smaller meals. Consumption of smaller portions of meals 6 or 7 times a day helps your body to keep the metabolism rate high, provides continuous supply of energy and ensures a flatter belly since there is no fat buildup. Number 3. Eating healthy fat. Fat is necessary for bodily functions, so avoiding them entirely can produce disastrous results. Take good fats like flax seeds, olive oil, almonds and avocados among others daily, to ensure overall health. Number 4. Chewing and eating slowly. Chewing the food and eating slow helps the food to be digested well. Eating slowly results in eating less food, which will avoid excess intake of calories. Number 5. Fiber-rich food intake. Fiber-rich food will help in avoiding constipation and bloated stomach. Fiber also helps the body to digest food and increase the metabolism rate. Number 6. Controlled intake of sodium. High sodium content in foods results in the feeling of being bloated. Limit intake of high sodium foods that are processed. Number 7. Eating sugar-free items. Foods rich in sugar can lead to bloating, and limiting the intake of sugar can help you have a flatter belly. For more information, click the link in the description below this video.